Hello, my name is Monica. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I am a sister of Sigma Omega Nu. So as you already know, we're going to be teaching you how to do different versions of Papel Picado or different designs of Papel Picado. So I'm going to be showing how to do a nopal with the sun, or my version. It's not the best, but it's okay. It's fun to do. So you will need tiny scissors, a pencil, and a blank sheet of paper, and preferably, if you do have it, tissue paper, and super colorful tissue paper, because Papel Picado is very colorful. And the first thing you're going to do is fold your paper in half, just really simple, and then you're going to start drawing it out. I'll leave this on so you can see it, and you can try drawing it out yourself.
What I went ahead and did was I scribbled just something on all the parts that I'm gonna cut out. That way I get less confused. That is just personally because I'm not using a stencil. And also this is a lot easier if you have like a box cutter. That way when you're using the cutting board, you can just directly on it make your cuts. But since I'm using scissors, I need to be a lot more precise.